Real deal videos. I don't know what's going on. Tripping out. All these birds just all of a sudden come to the corner of the yard and start twitching and spazzing. These birds are always around, but they never come down like this. Is this like the happening? Is everyone going to start walking backwards and then kill themselves? I want to try and get in, see what's going on with all the commotion. But as soon as I get too close, they're going to move. What are they having it's like some crazy birdie electric circus? They're dancing. Like, I get it, they're down picking stuff like these ones. Where do they go? Oh, they moved. Oh, they all left. I scared them.